A mountain range, a river and an enchanting trek. We're taking on 4 great walks in South Korea, and this is Drone and Phone. Well, it's episode 3 of our Korea adventure. I'm here with Yoon from the Korea Herald.
Hello.
Yoon, where are we?
We're at Seoraksan National Park, and it's one of the most beautiful places in South Korea.
And let me just show you this. You can see behind me here, we are going to be hiking along this valley today, I believe. Now, we're not going to be going up to the peak, which is one of the tallest peaks in Korea.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because it's the spring season and they have closed off some of the high altitude areas in the park for wildlife preservation. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to visit there today.
But we are going to be able to do about a 6-kilometer walk, we think, there and back down this valley. It's supposed to be really spectacular. Let's get going. In this series, we're in South Korea on a hiking trip. With 70% of the country covered by mountains, there are plenty of trails to discover. We chose 4 great hikes to go on. This week we have driven across the country from Seoul to the eastern coast. Seoraksan National Park is considered the most beautiful of the mountainous regions in the country, particularly in the autumn when the forests turn red and yellow amongst the rocky outcrops. At 1,708 meters, the peak of Seoraksan is the 3rd highest mountain in South Korea and a popular day hike. Today we're sticking to the lower reaches and keeping things simple. I really love Yoon's low-tech hiking gear. Here he has on the backpack a little plastic bag.
Well, this is one improvement from yesterday.
we've got some new shoes as well, so
hopefully
anyway,
that's going to help.
Should be fairly easy today though. The trail is well built and takes us past blossoming trees, waterfalls and over wooden bridges. Above us, tall, tree-covered rock cliffs loom. Well, we've just about reached the halfway stage and we're going to go back the way we came. You can get out on the road here if you have other transport or take a bus back down. How's it been for you?
It's been, well, it wasn't the hike I expected, but it was surprisingly good because of the scenery, and it was also, I've seen some spectacular sights.
It is absolutely stunning. We were a little bit disappointed, I've got to admit, when we found out that the main mountain was closed.
Right.
But this has turned out to be a real secret surprise, so nothing lost on this one.
Nope.
The hike back is easier on the legs as it's slightly downhill. We take time to have a look around a small temple and a lunch break by the river. Nearing the end of our walk. It's been about 7k, a few little temples and nice things along the way, but it has been an absolute stunner, huh?
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's the side of Seoraksan that I never realized before, and that's always a welcoming surprise.
Some beautiful waterfalls, etc. Now, as always, if you like this show, don't forget to like and subscribe on our Facebook channel. You'll also find our previous episodes nicely catalogued on our YouTube channel and on our website.
And if you want to check out my article, the links are below. And if you want to check out more content from the Korea Herald, you can always check out our YouTube channel too.
And we'll put the links below. My name's DJ Clark.
And I'm Yoon.
And this is Drone and Phone. My name's DJ Clark.
And this is, my name,